Everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to sign up or create an account on Internet with Quicknotes. The first thing you need to do is pick a preferred browser and search for Quickbook. And next thing, go to the official website, which is this one. Then you can see this. So I'm going to check out product design specific for your country. Choose go to global sites to check out other. You can also visit the US site if you want. Let's go. As you can see, what Quickbook is all about: one platform of the businesses, one platform trusted experts, one platform faster cash, one platform powerful insights, one platform of businesses. So it doesn't have plans for every stage. So you can automate your path to growth with confidence. You can manage everything in one place. It keep business tools and third-party apps work better together when they're under one roof. You can track your money in and out, run payroll, make and accept payments all in one integrated platform. You can store or you can do with Quickbook. You can make smart decisions, manage money, connect with experts, pay your team, track and pay bills, accept payments, and then talk to the sales. And if you need help, you also get it here. So Quickbooks are about building your business. Let's sign in. You just click on sign in here, top right corner. So when you click on sign in, you have these options. So let's go for Quickbook Online. I want to create an account. So, wow, new to it, create an account. We cannot create an account without buying first. Pay for a plan, or you can start a free trial. If you can start a trial, you can start with this one. You like. So when you start a free trial, let's see what happens. Because normally we're supposed to be able to create an account. Now this is where we're going to create the account. So if you don't want to be getting helpful marketing emails or SMS, it's on this one. And click on one more step. It's creating the account for you. Setting up your account, this won't take long. See, once our email is verified, so let's click on get started. So I'm going to put in a business name. So let's see, business name, let's call it, let's give it a name. You can use a regular business name or your own name if you're joining it for personal use. Let's say it is this. Then click on next. Basic information. Let's say choose it is under what? So it says it is not listed, you can choose order. So I don't think mine is listed. So let me just choose order. So I can type in order, but it's not letting me type in order. OTHER. It's not there. So let's just choose one. It's the closest I have to it. Let's choose it. Then business structure. So let's say sole trader, or is there an option for freelance? Because I'm not sure. That's good. Click on next. So let's talk about you and your team. What's your role? Let's say I'm the CEO. How many employees? Let's say one. Just the owner. Just I say I'm just the owner. Now next. Now select a business. Have to pick one. Link a bank or credit card to targets organized or it's not able to make it create pressure. So let's say this is for profit and loss for invoice. Now from here, you click what you want and you follow the prompts until it's totally set up because right now I can't link a bank account. Let me just try personalize my invoice. Alright, let's add the personal touch your invoice. Touching your invoice will help you track what they're open or sent. You can set up invoice. You can also skip. That's don't forget skip. What do you say next? Let's see next. So don't forget to read through it for a real business. Now I have to link your bank account. Don't have a bank account, so let's skip for now. So we can snap and save it here. Next. What do you want to do? I want you to let's say track my bills. So let's click on next. So let's see what the next step will be. So getting everything ready. So let's click on let's go. And we're in. There's the name. And this is the dashboard and everything. We have everything run. There's no I didn't add any logo, so this is it. And that's it. It's as simple as that. So we'll need to customize the layout, all the stuff. So we are in. Hope you found the video helpful on how to create an account on Quickbooks. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.